Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for tuning in to yet another video. So as you could tell, yes, the Challenger is back, and I could not be any happier to have it back. So obviously, it did not take the 2 to 3 months that was originally estimated by the service director. It actually took them 7 days to complete the repair, and I'll throw a little bit of footage from the day I went to go pick it back up. So, in what could be chalked up to a miracle or a really fortunate turn of events, the service director at the dealership called me and the Scat Pack is ready for pickup. I am so relieved that it did not turn into a 2 or 3 month ordeal, but it's been about 1 week since I dropped off the Challenger, and so let's go ahead and first I gotta go home, I'm gonna change, and then we'll go put some fuel in the Charger. Then we'll go to the dealership, drop off this loaner, and pick up the Scat. All right, here we are, pulling up to the good old Sunoco. $2.64 a gallon. And I'm not gonna fill this thing all the way up. I got it with half a tank, so I'm gonna put it back at half a tank before I give it back to him. Not gonna lie, I kind of missed that V6 gas mileage. Huh? It was nice while it lasted. Well, here to turn in the loaner.
Oh, that's right. You know, I was wondering if you were coming today or not.
Yeah.
For Hudson, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I thought. Hold on, sweetheart.
I'm surprised you guys got those parts in as quick as you did.
Oh, yeah. I'm glad they did. All right. There is the receipt. Here are the keys. You have a good night, okay?
Awesome. Thank you so very much.
We'll see you next time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Well, official goodbye to the Charger. And now it's back to my baby. Oh, yes. I know it's kind of hard to see me, but oh, it feels so good to be back. Yeah. So yeah, once I got the car back, I really didn't film much afterwards. I was just so happy to have it back. I took it for a drive and just had a bunch of fun with it. So just to kind of sum everything up, the parts were back ordered. The service director tagged it as what's called VOR, which stands for Vehicle Off-Road. Just basically says like, hey, this car needs these parts. It can't be driven, so we kind of need them. So they were able to expedite the parts, and I was kind of surprised that they got them that early, especially since they were back ordered. The service director was surprised that they got them that soon as well, but I'm not complaining. So they got the parts, they did the work, and yeah, it took them like 6-7 days. So I'm not complaining. I'm really happy with how everything came out. So regarding the whole issue with the brakes, I did quite a bit of research into it, and I couldn't really come across an answer as to why it happens, why that happens to the brake pads and the rotors. And I find it kind of surprising, just considering how vetted the Brembo brake system is. You know, there's a bunch of different vehicle manufacturers that use this system. I mean, Dodge uses them on the Hellcats, on the Scat Pack Widebodies. They use the smaller Brembos on the narrow body Scat Packs. And of course, you can buy these aftermarket and put them on pretty much any vehicle you want. So just with how vetted this brake system is, it's kind of surprising that they have these issues, but I guess nothing truly is perfect. But, you know, if an issue like this is going to happen, I'd rather have it happen now, early on in the life cycle of the vehicle, and warranty can just take care of the repairs. So I don't remember if I mentioned this in my other video, but there was a recall on my specific vehicle. You can check to see if there's one on yours as well. But the recall is for the TPM sensors. Basically, the TPM sensors won't properly read out your tire pressure. So they checked into that. They checked all 4 of the sensors on my vehicle, and they all passed, which is good. So if you have a Dodge Challenger, I guess, or Charger, Durango, whatever, you might want to check and see if there's an open recall on yours. But so yeah, everything turned out well. I have the service write-up right here. I'll post a picture of it so you guys can see what all was on there, and you guys can kind of read into that a little bit. But yeah, so Challenger is back. Did not take anywhere near as long. So in the end, I am just thrilled to have her back, honestly. So I know this is kind of a short video. I kind of just wanted to get this out there, put the information out there for you guys, and basically to let you know, hey, I got my Challenger back. So in the end, everything's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.